Sir, I'm the letter H. I'm a consonant. I make the H sound. H, as in house. H, ouse, house. H, as in ham. H, am, ham. H, as in hat. H, at, hat.
Hold your horses, letter H. Have you been eating horseradish?
Yes, sir. Had it with my hot dog.
Well, did anybody ever tell you that horseradish on a hot dog causes halitosis?
You mean I have...
Bad breath. Yes, that's what halitosis is. And that's what happens when you eat horseradish on a hot dog.
I didn't know.
What else do you do, letter H, besides reek of horseradish?
Sometimes I'm silent H, as in...
Whoa, I think it's best you remain silent, letter H. Besides, I know this drill. At the beginning of some words, H is seen but not heard, as in hour. H-O-U-R, hour. Other words that begin with silent H are honor, air, and honest. And I know of one word where H is silent in the middle. Ghost. G-H-O-S-T, ghost. Do you have anything to add to that?
No, sir.
Then line up, letter H, and lay off the horseradish.